it appears he's going to communicate a different narrative which may be misinterpreted.
Yeah.
How is the league responding to that?
Well, I think, thank you very much once again. The visit to our leaders, of course, one of them, as you very well referred to, was former President Olusegun Obasanjo. He welcomed the idea after listening to us, after listening to our argument, our objectives, our focus. He commended our effort. But as a nationalistic person, he said, look, this problem is not limited to the North alone. Why can't you broaden your contacts and reach out to your colleagues up in the other part of the country and come up with a National League of Democrats? And that was a very wonderful suggestion. We came back, and that is already on the table before the leadership of the league and is being considered. And we've already started reaching out to some few names, and we are registering the same understanding, and we are receiving the cooperation, and they applauded it. Very soon, we will come up with what he suggested. And he even went further to say that any day you come up with a national League of Democrats, come back, I will be the grand patron, because he said anything to break up this country, he will use his last blood to defend it. He is a Nigerian. He is proud to be a citizen of Nigeria, and he is not prepared. And a number of them that we reached out to express the same thing. So I think this will soon be on board. We are sure